Hello and welcome back to today's Financial News Digest, presented by Skyriss. Here's what's happening on the markets this Thursday.
Microsoft stock fell about 2.7% on Wednesday, closing at $478.56, driven by investor concerns after state attorneys general warned about AI chatbot risks. In regular trading on Wednesday, the Dow Jones rallied 1.1%, the S&P 500 gained 0.7% and the Nasdaq Composite added 0.3%. Those moves came as the Fed delivered its third quarter-point rate cut this year. U.S. natural gas futures fell to around $4.55 on Thursday, moving further away from the three-year highs reached earlier this month, as milder weather forecasts have eased pressure on demand. The euro climbed toward $1.17, its strongest level since mid-October, bolstered by broad dollar weakness, firmer rhetoric from European central bank officials, and progress on France's 2026 social security budget. Ether traded at around $3,200 on Thursday, down 3.5% in the past 24 hours, driven by investor outflows from crypto-linked exchange-traded funds and broader risk-off sentiment in digital assets. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 1:30 p.m., Canada will publish its September trade balance, after reporting a deficit of more than $6 billion Canadian dollars in August. At the same time, the United States will release its September trade balance, following a deficit of nearly $60 billion last month. Turning to tomorrow's highlights. At 7 a.m., the United Kingdom will announce October GDP figures, after a 0.1% decline in September. And at 10:30 a.m., India is set to report its annual inflation rate, which is expected to rise after reaching 0.25% in October.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.